to change city to find cross on Happn. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change your city to find cross on Happn. For that, you'll have to open your Happn application on your mobile device, and once you reach the home page of the Happn, click on the profile icon next to the bell icon at the top of the screen. You will reach to this page. Here, click on Edit button just below your name. You will reach to this page. Here, scroll down onto the very end and you will see the city you have previously added. Now to change it, click on that pencil icon next to the city and click on this box to edit it. Enter the new city you want to change to. After entering, select the city and click on continue below. Wait for a while and you have successfully changed city on Happn. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.